they will do this split, and how to do that I will show you now. So first we starting from this position. We take our leg on the back and stretch for our body. So 1, 2, 3, and change hand. So 1, 2, 3. Take stretch back and go down, and take stretch 1, 2, 3, and slowly go sit and stretching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and trying to take back leg. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take 2 legs together. Take breathe. Slowly breathe out and take straight shoulders. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe, retake me likes, and write me good comments. So bye bye.